Hello, traders, and great to be back with you on a March 2nd on a Thursday, 2017. Traders, great to be with you. I just wanted to bring up today these are the 8 charts that I look at basically throughout my trading day. I go to other pairs, but most of the time I use the same ones. So we I just figured I'd want to show you that. And the other thing I wanted to talk about today is what happened yesterday. Pretty interesting. So we're trying something a little bit new here, and it's going to be a little bit interesting as I'm going to open and close some different charts. So let's take a look at our pound yen trade yesterday that we talked about in our setup. And hopefully there's not too many lines on here, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So this was our trade plan yesterday. We wanted to enter here at the 140.20 area, which was this pink arrow right here. Okay, and basically what happens was we were in this congestion here. Right in this area, we were in this congestion. And this was during London. London had just opened, was open about an hour. And I saw this red candle. And this red candle I entered into. Well, look at what happens, traders. You can see my stop is at 140.75. So we got a little close to my stop, but not too bad. We were still almost, I'd say 15 pips away from it. So I was pretty okay with that. Anyhow, this comes back up. I'm in a loss, right? I'm in a pretty decent loss here. You can see why I have this oval here showing this was my reload. I reloaded this. And that's what I talk about confidence in trading. Have confidence in your trade plan. You know what? If it didn't work, I took a hit. But I didn't take a hit that's that bad because I only risked 1 or 2% of my trading account on each trade. What happens? Now remember, we entered here. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours into this trade, and we don't see no green yet, right? This turns around 6. I go out for a dinner, and a cold one. At this candle here, I come back. This candle here, you can see this is 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 2000 hours Thailand time. I see this candle here. I see the 38.2 here. Folks, I'm out for some nice profits. What's the point of me telling you this? It's not the point that I won the trade. And it's not the point that the trade worked. The point is patience. This trade took over 7-8 hours before this trade finalized, and that is so important. Just because a trade doesn't work and get in the green in 2 hours, don't be bailing. Stay with the trade, okay? Stay with the trade. All right, let's get to today's trade, which is the euro yen today. I sort of like this better, you know that? I sort of like going from chart to chart. Okay, so here we are, and I'm in Asia now, so it's currently 8:48 Thailand time, and it's 20:40. Well, it just turns 49. 20:49 hours on Wall Street. So here we are in Asia. I see left of the chart, all the way over here, I see this conglomerate of resistance. We're coming up to this resistance. This looks to me like a double top, right? I'm saying this is bearish. We want to sell this. This can't break this. This has been rejected here. Several times this has been rejected in this area, and I'm saying we want to sell. What's the problem, traders? The problem is we're coming into the 120-point double zeros. I don't want to trade at double zeros, right? Because that's going to be a bounce there. We know that. We just know it's going to be a bounce, right? So I'm looking at 119.90. Now the problem with that is my stop's all the way up at 120.60. Okay, so that's a 70 pip stop. Now you know, traders, I am not going to hold for a 70 pip stop. If this goes against me, I'm going to be out of here. In fact, if this goes out of this purple box and continues to the upside, I'm out, right? The trade's not working. Get out, okay? So we're going to get in down here below the 120.00 area. We're going to get in at 119.90, 119.95, somewhere in that. Depends on what our candles look like, and we can get into this trade. We're going to let this baby ride all the way down. Now, be careful at this 119.40 area, okay? This area here, this area here, this all looks like this is support, and we can get a bounce there too. But we're looking to come all the way down here to the 118.75 area, 118.75, we're going to get out of this. Hey, let's take a real quick look at what's going on. Come on, still Monday. Hey, let's get over here. Come on, guys. What are you doing? Wow, it's Thursday, right? Isn't that amazing? Okay, so we had nothing really in Asia. We have New Zealand. Governor Wheeler speaks in Asia today. Actually, he spoke already. Sorry, he spoke already. We don't have anything in Asia. We have Aussie had some data come out. It had building approvals at 1.8 versus negative 0.4. So that was really good. So I haven't looked at an Aussie chart, but I would think that's probably gained some Aussie strength. Trade balance was bad. Bad numbers on trade balance. And other than that, we really don't have anything now until London. We have some Spanish data coming out, and the big one's going to be the Great British Pound construction PMI for February. So that should be a decent number, and we'll see what happens on that one, but that should move the pound in one direction or the other. All right, let's just take a look at what's going on our other stuff. Hey, coffee's up 1.93% at the close yesterday. Currently, gold is down 0.26%. And crude oil is down to 53.74. So gold down, gold should be up, right? And they're both down. So that's not a good thing. We're going to see some sort of a change there when we take a look at that. Brent crude was up 0.74% at 56.32. That's on Brent crude. Like I said, coffee is up. Natural gas was flat. No movement at all in natural gas. Traders, that's it for me today on a Thursday. And yeah, March 2nd. Wow, the year's flying by. Traders, I will not be in tomorrow on Friday. I need to take care of my my retirement visa here in Thailand. So I got to get some paperwork tomorrow, and I will not be doing a video. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. And of course, you can always email or go to my website at tradingwithbill.com. Ask me questions, send an email, and I'll answer you, I promise. Take care, my friends, and we'll see you on Monday. Take care now. Bye-bye.